These asteroids can destroy Earth. Imagine waking up one day to the news that an asteroid is headed towards Earth, with the potential to cause mass destruction and wipe out entire cities. It sounds like something out of a Hollywood movie, but it's a genuine threat that scientists and experts are working hard to prevent. Asteroids are chunks of rock and metal that orbit the Sun, and occasionally they can collide with Earth, causing catastrophic consequences. While most asteroids are harmless and burn up in the Earth's atmosphere, some pose a significant threat to our planet. One such asteroid is Apophis, a massive space rock expected to come dangerously close to Earth in 2029. Apophis is estimated to be around 335 meters in size, and if it were to hit Earth, it could cause widespread destruction and devastation. So, have you heard about the asteroid Apophis and its potential impact? Do you know about the measures scientists and experts are taking to prevent such a disaster? In this video, we'll explore the threat of asteroid impacts and discuss the potential consequences of Apophis hitting Earth. The risks of asteroid impacts. Asteroid impacts can have catastrophic consequences, ranging from massive destruction of buildings and infrastructure to loss of life on a massive scale. The impact of a giant asteroid could cause a global catastrophe, possibly triggering tsunamis, wildfires, and earthquakes. If such an event were to happen, the impact could have far-reaching consequences that could affect life on Earth for years to come. Therefore, it is crucial to take the threat of asteroid impacts seriously and take measures to prevent such an event. So, how would you feel if you knew that an asteroid impact could happen at any moment? Apophis. Apophis is an asteroid that was discovered in 2004 and is named after the ancient Egyptian god of chaos and destruction. At its size, Apophis is approximately 335 meters, 1,100 feet, in diameter and is classified as a near-Earth object, NEO, due to its close proximity to Earth's orbit. While the asteroid is not currently a threat, it has caused concern among astronomers due to its potential for a future impact. In 2029, Apophis is expected to pass within just 32,000 kilometers, 20,000 miles of Earth, which is closer than the orbits of some satellites. This close encounter will allow scientists to study the asteroid in detail and determine its composition, shape, and trajectory more accurately. While the 2029 flyby will be a close call, Apophis is not expected to hit the Earth at that time. However, there is still a tiny chance that Apophis could collide with Earth. The asteroid is currently classified as a Level 1 on the Torino Impact Hazard Scale, posing a routine threat that merits careful monitoring. In 2068, Apophis is expected to make another close approach to Earth, and there is a small but non-zero chance that it could collide with our planet. If Apophis were to hit the Earth, it could have catastrophic consequences. Due to its size, Apophis could release energy equivalent to tens of thousands of nuclear bombs, causing widespread destruction and loss of life. The impact could also trigger tsunamis, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions, leading to further damage and casualties. To prevent such a catastrophic scenario, astronomers and scientists closely monitor Apophis and other NEOs and develop strategies to deflect them if necessary. These include gravitational tugs, kinetic impacts, and nuclear explosions, all of which aim to alter the asteroid's trajectory and avoid a collision with Earth. While the chances of Apophis colliding with Earth are currently small, the potential consequences highlight the importance of continued research and preparation for any potential asteroid impact in the future. Mitigation strategies. Mitigation strategies refer to the methods scientists and engineers employ to deflect or destroy asteroids before they can hit the Earth. These strategies include various technologies and techniques, such as nuclear explosives, kinetic impactors, gravity tractors, and laser ablation. NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test, DART mission, it launched in November 2021, and it aims to test the effectiveness of a kinetic impactor to deflect a small asteroid. The European Space Agency's Hera mission, planned for launch in 2024, will investigate the use of a gravity tractor to deflect an asteroid. While these strategies have shown promise, there is a need for continued research and development of new techniques and technologies to address the asteroid threat effectively. It is essential to consider all options to ensure the safety and security of our planet. The most giant asteroid. The giant asteroid that could hit Earth is Ceres, roughly 590 miles, 940 kilometers in diameter. The potential impact of such an asteroid could be catastrophic, with the force of the impact releasing energy equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. The resulting shockwave would cause widespread destruction, while dust and debris thrown into the atmosphere could block sunlight, causing global cooling and devastating crop failures. It's crucial to recognize the possibility of such an impact and take steps to prevent it. The good news is that scientists and engineers are developing strategies to deflect or destroy asteroids before they can impact Earth, such as using spacecraft to divert their trajectory. However, more research and resources are needed to make these strategies effective and ensure we are prepared to detect and mitigate potential impacts. The need for international cooperation. The threat of asteroid impacts is a global issue that requires international cooperation and collaboration. Governments and organizations worldwide must work together to develop strategies to detect, track, and mitigate the impact of asteroids. The importance of international cooperation in addressing this issue cannot be overstated. Sharing information, resources, and technology can help us better understand the threat and develop practical solutions. Despite the efforts of many governments and organizations, some may argue that more needs to be done to address the asteroid threat. However, it's essential to recognize that this complex issue requires significant resources and collaboration. The more we raise awareness and encourage international cooperation on this issue, the better our chances of developing effective strategies to address the asteroid threat. In this video, we discuss the potential danger of asteroids impacting Earth, explicitly focusing on the asteroid Apophis and the giant asteroid Ceres. We also discuss the catastrophic consequences of an asteroid impact and the importance of international cooperation in addressing this threat. We mentioned the strategies scientists and engineers use to deflect or destroy asteroids before they can impact Earth. Now the question arises, is the threat of asteroid impacts a severe issue that requires more attention and resources? Share your thoughts and engage with others on this critical topic. It's essential to raise awareness about the risks of asteroid impacts and work together to ensure that we are prepared to mitigate the potential consequences of such an event.